Contestant number 1. What's your name? What's your name? What's your favorite food? Oh, contestant number 2. What's your name?
Ako Nicolette Nicole.
What's your favorite food?
Chicken!
Oh, contestant number 1. Okay, you sing ABC.
A, B, C, D, D, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, P.
Contestant number 2. 5 plus 5.
10!
Good. Contestant number 2. Oh, may tanong sa'yo yung ating judge.
Do you know how to sing?
No!
You don't know how to sing? Do you know how to sing?
No!
Yes!
No!
Dance, you dance.
Oh, dance.
A, B,
Dance, dance.
C, D.
Kembot, kembot.
Di ako naman! Papa,
Kembot.
ako. Papa, dadance
Si
ako.
kembot.
Kembot, kembot.
Dadance na ako.
Ganun, taas kamay.
Oh, contestant number 2. Oh, you dance na. Wow! Ah, ito, panorin natin.